Water heater ignition controller. Welcome to an exciting unboxing video. In this video, we'll dive into the 3-wire pulse igniter for gas water heaters, a versatile and powerful double ignition controller designed to bring efficiency and reliability to nearly all types of domestic gas water heater systems. This 3-wire pulse igniter is an ideal replacement for faulty controllers in instant gas water heaters. Easy to install, it delivers a powerful greater than or equal to 12 kV output, operates safely on DC 3 volt, and supports LPG, natural gas, and artificial gas, ensuring reliable and efficient performance. If the igniter card of your instant gas water heater is malfunctioning, you can easily replace it with this 3-wire pulse igniter. It's a convenient and reliable solution to restore your water heater's functionality. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, making it a dependable choice for your gas water heater needs. This 3-wire pulse igniter is equipped with 7 pairs of control cables, each serving a specific purpose for optimal functionality. These include a pair for the 3V battery box, a ground terminal wire, a temperature sensor, a power-on indicator, a micro switch, a 3V solenoid valve, and a pair dedicated to the temperature control display. This comprehensive design ensures seamless integration and efficient operation of your gas water heater system. The induction line in this module plays a crucial role in detecting and transmitting signals required for proper ignition and operation of the gas water heater. It monitors the status of the system, such as flame presence or other operational conditions, ensuring the controller activates or deactivates components like the solenoid valve or ignition module at the right time. This enhances safety, efficiency, and reliability in the functioning of the water heater.